Hey babes, it's Kate and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be doing something a bit different. I've never done this on my channel before, but I wanted to do this regardless, so I said why not make a video. So we're gonna be DIYing some of my old hoodies. So we're gonna be attempting 4 different styles on these hoodies and we're gonna see how they turn out. So let's get into the video. So first up, we have this hoodie. I've had it since 2016, I believe. And what we're gonna do with this hoodie is we're gonna do, you guys know the style hoodies where it like cuts like this. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's take it out the hanger and lay it flat. So we're gonna crop it. So we mark out. We're gonna draw a line for where we wanna crop this hoodie. And then we're gonna go in and crop that now. So now that the step is done, we're gonna draw out where we want to cut. So I don't know if this like cover went, but it just like leaked out on my hoodie. That's lovely. That would rinse out regardless, so that's fine. So we're gonna now draw where we want our line. And you don't want it too close. You don't want it too close to your armpit or the seam. So then you just draw it down. Draw it down. And then snip snip, cut it. And only the front part, please leave the back. And carve it as much as you can when you're cutting the sides. And there we have it. So guys, these are some angles you never filmed from before, right? But we'll just have to make it do. The next hoodie we're gonna do is this. And what we're gonna do is cut the sleeves. That's it. We're just gonna cut the sleeves and roll it up. Give it a different look. You're gonna lay it flat on the side to make sure that you cut your sleeves evenly. Alright? We're gonna mark. I want to make sure I don't mess this up. I'm gonna cut at least to almost half. Music on the track. And now that you've gotten rid of your sleeves, you're gonna then fold it 3 times or twice or 4 times, depending on how you want to. And then this is our second style. Now for our third style, we are going cut this sweater. I like it. I really do. But we're gonna crop it and then we're gonna attach the bottom, this part, with safety pins. So let's go. This one doesn't have to be perfect, so I just cut it however along the line. And then we're gonna cut off the bottoms. and continue to do that. Now there's only one more hoodie to do. This hoodie. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just crop it and cut off the sleeves. And then go ahead and cut and stretch. And there we have it. Okay, so now we're gonna try on the hoodies and you guys tell me what you guys think. So first up is the first one we obviously did. Okay guys, so this is the first one. Really cute. I like it. So it came out well, so we give this one an A+. Next one. So this is the second one. So it gives it more of like a sporty vibe. I like it. Tell me what you guys think. Although I kind of wish that I did cut it shorter, maybe in the future. Who knows? Anyway, let's go on to the next look. Okay, I like this. I like this. It gives it like an edgy vibe. It's no longer boring, and I like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. And now we're gonna go on to the final one. So I like this one too. This is a way you can spice up your clothes without having to buy different styles and waste your old clothes. These are definitely some looks I'll be wearing in summer. Yeah. Just like that, guys. 4 simple do-it-yourself revamping your old hoodies, making them into something new and wearable. And for those of you who go through winter and summer, this might actually be helpful, because we all know that we like to buy new sweaters and stuff whenever winter rolls back around. Therefore, let's just revamp the ones that we're not wearing anymore, so we can wear them in summer, fall, spring. And for those of you in the Caribbean, this just cause it's cute, right? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you really enjoy this video. I know it's not something that like I normally do, but like if you guys actually like this video, I may as well continue doing like short videos like this. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, turn on those post notifications, share with your friends, and until next time. By the way, trying on all these hoodies have my hair like totally in a mess. I have to go and clean it back up for school tomorrow. But thank you for watching. Bye.